If the microphone icon on your Android keyboard gets in the way, or you simply prefer typing manually, you can disable voice typing in just a few moments. Follow these simple steps to remove it from Gboard keyboard. Start by opening any app that lets you type, such as Messages, Gmail, or Notes. Tap inside a text box to bring up the Gboard keyboard. Once the keyboard appears, tap the Settings and Gear icon. If you don't see it, tap the four-dot menu or press and hold the comma key to access additional keyboard options. In the Settings menu, tap Voice Typing. You'll find an option called Use Voice Typing or Assistant Voice Typing, depending on your version of Gboard. Turn the switch off to disable the feature. After disabling it, return to your keyboard. The voice typing option will no longer appear, giving you a cleaner typing experience with fewer accidental microphone taps. If you ever want to use voice input again, simply return to the same menu and switch it back on. Voice typing is helpful for many users, but if you never use it, turning it off can make the keyboard feel simpler and easier to navigate. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Android tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech guides.